I turn this picture into an animation in a very simple way. The first step is to edit the image in an image editing app. I'm using Photoshop. Divide the picture into separate parts as layers, such as the head layer, the body tail right leg layer, the left leg layer, and the left hand layer. 4 layers in total. Next, save the file in PSD format or export it as a dataset file. Then, open OpenToonz. Import the file and make sure to import it as columns. Each part will appear in its own separate column. Now open the schematic panel to connect all the parts together, making the body the parent or main control center. After that, use the plastic tool or simply press the letter X. Create a mesh and skeleton for each part. These will allow us to animate the object using that skeleton. OpenToonz will automatically create a new column for the mesh. This is the column we'll use to move the object. For the head, we don't need to create a mesh because we won't be animating it with the plastic tool. Once all parts are meshed and rigged, it's time to animate. This process requires patience and precision to make the motion look realistic. Use the squash and stretch technique we discussed in the previous video and adjust the timing. If the motion feels too slow, add more frames. You can also move the key points as needed. Now, when everything's done, the static image has turned into a moving animation. To make it even more lively, you can add a moving background. An animated film is built from a series of short scenes like this one, so patience and consistency are essential for any animator. Okay, if you're interested in creating your own animated film, whether for YouTube content or just as a hobby, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned to this channel. Keep creating, keep animating, and let your imagination move. And see you in the next video.